second type of post deployment survey is an active survey. In this, you have to fire up the laptop in a similar way than what we did in the passive survey. Get the Proxium adapters installed like this, 2.4 gigahertz for example. This is configured to 5 gigahertz, and you are running Ekahau or Air Magnet software on the laptop. Now, there is another adapter in the laptop, which is the laptop's wireless NIC, right? So you configure that wireless NIC from Ekahau here to run ICMP packets to the AP SSID gateway. Basically, you are connecting your laptop on the SSID. It's going to be an active connection, and then you start sending pings. You can bring up a command prompt on the laptop, CMD, and then ping the gateway of, let's say, 192.168.1.1, whatever the gateway of the SSID is. Start a ping and let the ping, it should be a continuous ping. Let the ping continue. And then what you do is you start walking on the floor. The issues that are related to client connectivity, okay, client connectivity, whether it's the frame losses or frame drops, call drops, client facing connectivity issues on the ground, they're all checked by packet loss, or you can say some sort of a lag, jitter. All these things can be checked by an active survey. So a customer may not know exactly where this issue is being seen, where he'll just get random complaints from users saying I'm facing connectivity problem, I'm facing packet loss in my network, I'm not able to complete a voice call properly, it's dropping, if there is too much lag in the voice call. So what you need to do is you need to go and do an active survey where you actively send a ping on the SSID and understand how the pings are being returned, or if there's some sort of a packet loss or not, and then you start a walk on the floor, and then continuously monitor the ICMP ping, that is, or to the gateway right here on Ekahau. And then the moment you receive, or the moment you see that there is no packets received from the AP, you can stop there and mark that point, or even at the end, once you complete a survey, you will get that report anyway. So you identify the spots where this is being seen. Now, these kind of issues could be because of let's say the survey was the initial site survey was done a year back, okay, and during this 1 year, it's possible that I've started using some new applications which are more sensitive, which require a better bandwidth, or which require better RSSI value to work properly, and this was not designed, so the network wasn't designed for this new application. So it's possible that throughout the vicinity or throughout the premises, you are facing these kind of issues. Okay, this is possible that I just this change happened in the last 1 year, and I start facing packet drops, or I start facing lag, I start facing maybe my Zoom call is not behaving properly. So all these things an active survey can identify and give you an answer, okay, as to in which areas this is happening. And then of course you can work with your IT team and the networking team to understand as to how to fix the issues. But yeah, an active survey is basically similar to a passive survey, but here we are actively sending out pings to the AP SSID. So we make sure the laptop connects to the SSID, and then you open a CMD, start sending pings. And also in Ekahau here at the top, you'll see the third NIC being displayed along with this 2.4 and 5 NIC, which are Proxium adapters. You'll see a third NIC anyway, which is your laptop wireless NIC. Okay, configure this laptop wireless NIC from Ekahau to send ICMP packets to the gateway of the SSID, whatever the gateway is. This is just an example. Do it, and then you will start seeing in this screen, you will start seeing the pings received. Okay, and that will give you an idea as to what the behavior on the ground is. If you lose the pings at any time, that's where the issue is happening. So figure it out, understand which area that is, and I think that should be good. And of course, at the end of the active survey, you will have to deliver a report, which you should be able to get from this tool like Ekahau or Air Magnet that you're using, which should have the details about SNR, packet loss, packet loss, and any I mean all the various information that you can share with the customer. So look out for this report and share this with the customer, and then probably after you share this with the customer, you sit with him and then figure out a way to solve the issues as well. Thank you.